Hi there and welcome to Valley Mill. This is a quick instructional video on how to fit your house sign. Included in the box is a fitting kit for your house sign as well as a set of instructions. This will include an appropriate amount of fitting rods and glue depending on the size of your sign. You will also need a drill equipped with a 4mm masonry drill bit. First, carefully turn over your house sign. Fill each drill hole to the top with the supplied superglue, pushing each rod into place as demonstrated, allowing 24 hours for it to set fully. Holding the sign against the desired wall, mark out your drill holes above each rod while pressed into the wall. Take into account that doing this will result in the fitted sign being slightly higher than your initial placement. Carefully drill into the marks. We recommend using the spirit level to make sure that the sign is level and straight prior to any drilling. These holes should also be filled with superglue before pressing the sign into place. You may wish to wipe over your fitted sign with a wet cloth, ensuring no superglue has been left on the slate. You have now successfully fitted a house sign. Congratulations!